So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change your chart's background on TradingView. So the first thing you want to do is to open up your TradingView layout. So once you're logged in, you can check out some charts and you can set them up to your liking. Now to set up the background of a certain chart, you will need to expand it. So let's click on full chart right here. And you can see some stuff that can be set up. You can also just click the right click on it. So you can see copy price, paste, alert, table view, object, tree, chart, template. And you can see the settings that can open up. So on here, you can see some different options. So you can choose a certain color changes. So you can see the borders can also be a bit different. And you can also check it out through stuff on there. So your wick can also change. So once you've set all of that up, you can then get to your canvas and you can check out some different colors for the background. So make it something that's really easy to see the indicators, and then you can more easily use the chart itself. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on TradingView or some other topics you might find interesting as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.